Hey guys, AJ with Relentless Racing. Welcome back to the channel. I just got my K20A2 back from vapor hunting, and before we go to the machine shop, we want to make sure that we clean the block thoroughly. We want to make sure that we clean any surface, any hole, any thread, to make sure there's no debris or any residual vapor hunting media within the block. If we don't do this cleaning properly, it could be detrimental to our build.
All right, so here's the setup. I'm set up in my front yard right here. I've got quite a bit of bottle brushes and various other brushes. These are all nylon tipped. You've got the infamous Dawn, usual stuff. I usually have 2 pieces of wood just in case I need to prop something up. Got some gloves because you definitely want to use gloves to handle the block. And then also you have the girdle. All these pieces are pretty sharp, so you want to handle them with gloves. And then of course you've got water right there. And then I have an air hose right over here to help me blow stuff out. So I'm gonna wash this block, every surface on it. This side, the top, the other side, the bottom, the inside, and this side over here to make sure that everything's clean. And we'll do it like 4 or 5 times. Here we go. All right, here's what they finally look like. Got them all cleaned up. Looks pretty good. You can see the girdle right here up close. Everything's completely cleaned up. Hopefully we got all the media out of here. It's tough getting the media out of blind tapped holes. And like, for instance, that guy right here is a blind tapped hole. It doesn't go all the way through. That's what it means that it's blind. And then obviously on all the surfaces, everything comes out all right. There is some media still stuck in some of the pins. So hopefully I'll be able to get that out in the hot tank. And if not, it does get sealed up. So I don't know, we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted, see how it goes.
The K20A2 is on its way to Benson for machining. Next up, I'm gonna clean this head and I'm gonna send that off to end dye. This is AJ with Relentless Racing. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe. And stay relentless, and I'll see you guys on the track.